See them people. The whole of the streets are flooded with water. Because careful biking, careful biking. Because I don't think they designed the road properly. You know, a small little gutter drain will lead the water from the side of the road to the main drain. So the main drain can do its work and collect the water. Saying, so on this part we call upon the governments to try and even cut the road. The road is already there. You just have to cut the drain, that little gutter. See, watch it, yo. Let me get out of this. Quick. See that? This is how far the water splashed to. We're talking about the redevelopment of our nation and our people. We want a betterment for the people as a government. So we have to do the right thing. Leading thing for the people. See that the whole of the street are flooded up already. You know, see that? See, so we need a good little gutter. A little gutter here. So if I even a foot, even 1 foot from both sides of the road. Both sides of the road. We take off the water out of the road. So the car them now driving in the water and splash of the water. This is dangerous. It is dangerous. Very dangerous. But I guess we don't see it yet, boy. I don't know. See that? Blessed.